Hey guys, here's a short video to show you how to get a nice finish using a silicone tool and some soapy water in a spray bottle. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Any questions, please pop them in the comments.